Hey, cousin Mark. Here's I was going to told you I was going to send you some stuff on Coleman evolution. You can transcribe text from this video as you please. I sent other pictures. Over a period of time, Coleman came out with stuff that worked really good. But like any manufacturer, along the line they say, can we make it work better? Can we build it quicker? Or can we build it cheaper? And that's what happened with the filler caps. This is the filler cap that was used on the early 316s and 319s. This is the filler cap that was used on the CQs, and a similar one was used on the later 316s. The differences are, the initial filler cap was a multi-piece unit. It had the valve stop, which unscrewed. This is hard to do without a camera stand. And then in the valve body itself, there, I wish I had 3 hands. Hang on. There was another piece in here which aligned, see that rascal, which aligned the filler, this part of the cap, when it went into the main body. Now, the thumb screw part itself was also another complicated gadget. It had the big knurled edge, which is kind of the way they always did it, and it also had a piece that screwed out of here, see that, screwed out of there, and in that was a leather gasket. See, it had that little leather gasket in there. And that's what they used to make sure that the pump had a good, snug fit when pressurizing. Somebody in the factory came in one day and said, I got a great idea. Let's get rid of all that garbage and do it this way. We'll just make a cone-shaped hole here, and the end of the pump will make a tight enough fit when held in place so that we don't have to have the gasket, the retainer for the gasket, and the aligning nut to go into the main part of the cap. So anyway, that's Coleman evolution. And further down the line, they modified it so that when you weren't pumping through the cap, you just had a cap with a regular gasket. Anyway, so I can't get this thing apart. Anyway, Coleman evolution. I'm sending pictures too, so you can transcribe that as you like. But that's just one of the ways that Coleman went from really bulletproof, sophisticated design to something that worked just as well. Less parts, less complicated, and probably cheaper to make. All right, thanks for stopping by Camp Boondog Workshop. You all have a good week. Bye.